मार्केट ने मेरा एसएल लिया, ठीक है, दिस इज माय एसएल, and then it took my then it went back to the take profit zone. So basically I marked highs and lows, previous session highs, previous session lows, liquidity zone, previous day low, previous day high, and extra etc etc. So market went down to the previous session low and swept the liquidity, gave break of structure, came back to the fair value gap zone. So this is currently fair value gap zone. It tapped fair value gap zone. I waited for the high confluence. So I waited for the break of structure. It gave a little break of structure. I took entry. Then what happens? It comes back to this zone. This is fair value gap zone. If you move to 5 minutes time frame, then you can witness, yeah, this is a fair value gap. So basically, this was fair value gap. It tapped into that and then went up. And keep in mind, you should never uh, greed. You should never have greed. Like, always try to take profit to the nearest liquidity zone you can. This was the nearest liquidity zone, and then my take profit zone was there too. So basically, my liquidity was taken just because I had a short uh, SL, and even I didn't notice any fair value gap that was forming at that moment in any high time frame or any other time frames. So I should keep in mind that we should always watch fair value gaps on other time frames, and we should not keep be greedy. We should always try to take our take profits to the nearest zone available at that moment. So that's all.